Good day. So today we're on the Renault Master doing the radiator. Last time I went away in it, sprung a leak in the radiator and I banged a load of fucking gunk in it. Some radiator sealer to seal the radiator while we were away. It did the job. We did over 1,000 miles in it. But I do have a new radiator to fit and I think it's time to do it before the weather actually gets too cold. So yeah, let's switch around, let's get started. So to do the radiator on one of these front end strippage, unfortunately. So first things first, we'll take the indicators off, undo this front grille and take this bumper off. So with the front indicators, if you look just inside here, to see it, you'll see a little sprung connector right here. Just pull it and lift it off the little clip inside both sides. I don't know if I'll be able to show you inside here. See if I can get it. You see the spring just inside there, it's just on the clip. Yeah, just pull it, lift it over and the indicator will come out. So there we go, that's the spring I'm on about. It hooks on just in there. Just put it across and then drop it down. And all you do is grab the indicator either side and just pull it and it will come off. Undo this clip here on your wire, your connector. Do that exactly the same on the other side. So, when you got the front indicators off, time to remove this grille. You'll see little stars here, it's 4 across the top. And you got one either side of there. So we'll crack them open. They are a T30. Yeah, so just go along, crack them all open, all the way down. So, once you're done this, undoing it all, that centre slides to the right, comes off that little hook there. That's one grill off. The next thing is the bumper. So on the bumper in here, the T40, you got one here, one either side in here, and you got two underneath, one either side, about here and there. The ones underneath you don't have to take completely out, just unscrew them enough. It's like a fork what goes in, so you can pull them off. So yeah, we'll crack them open. So yeah, when you've undone them all, you do have ones on the side here as well, just in the arch. I've had to snap mine due to the clips, both sides seized on, well, just collapsed. I couldn't get them off, so I've had to break mine off. You see there, I'll sort that problem out after. So yeah, then all you do is grab the sides, top and bottom here, and pull both sides, and that's your front bumper. One front bumper off. So now your front bumper's off, we've got to take the surround off. Oh, great fun this is going to be. So yeah, next thing to do, crack these two 13mm bolts here, and crack these three, well there's 3 16mm bolts there, 3 16mm bolts there. This bar will come off then, and we should be able to get to the radiator. The next thing you want to do is take these plastic clips off. If yours has got them on, just pull it down like that. That one comes off like that. Just get a flat screwdriver in the bottom. See if I can zoom in there, push down, come on, push down, it pops off like that. That's them off, both sides. And we want to undo this 10mm and this 10mm here. The radiator, there is 4 T30 bolts like that. One came out, other 3 didn't. They are absolutely knackered. So this one, I had to break the plastic around it just so I could get some monkey wrench in just to unscrew it. That's that one. This side here, as you can see, I can't do nothing, so I've had to break this off here. Same with the bottom. To break it off, it has all inside, it's just rusted out of the bolt, so I can't undo it. So yeah, as you see, this is where my radiator's gone, all the way down one side. That's where it was leaking. So all I gotta do now, see, this is the way I do it. I undo it or leave the pipes till last, because I don't want to be sat in water and antifreeze. Why try and undo all this, get past all these rusted bolts and everything? But all I've got left now is force this bit over, then I can pull the radiator forward and disconnect the pipes, then the radiator will be off. Right, so what I do next is all your clips here, I just pull them back. Don't try and pull the pipe off yet, do exactly the same with the bottom, just so you don't really get a gush of water. Seeing them off, the pipes are ready to be pulled. So yeah, I'll pull the bottom one off, then I'll pull this top one off, and hopefully the radiator will be ready to come off. So there we go, like I said, it's just them two pipes there. Pull the bottom, pull the top, radiator come off. Like I said, I've had to snap this bottom one here, so I need to get that bolt out there. Same with the top here. The damage on the radiator, probably been on since brand new, since the van was new. So yeah, I've got a new radiator to be put on. I'm going to take these bolts out here, find some new bolts for it. Sure, I've got some laying around somewhere. Fit the new radiator. Well, it is reverse. All you'll have to do, once you put it back on, connect the pipes back on with the new, then bolt everything back on. But before I do this, is because I've put some radiator weld in it, don't forget to undo your cap to get the flow of water out. I'm going to flush my system through. So I'm going to get a nose pipe, run a nose pipe through my bottle and try and flush my system through. I'll kick over my van for a minute or two, turn on my heater and try and flush my system completely through to get all that reg weld stuff out, just to make sure it's all nice and clean inside. Like I said, I put a nose pipe into the bottle, turn the fan on full inside, on hot, just flushing the system straight through. That's all I'm doing, just to make sure the system's flushed all the way through nicely. Don't forget, you need these out of here. They do just push out like it's supposed to. Come on. Yeah, these pull out of here. So they're on there, they pull out, and you put them back into your new one. So there's a new radiator, all good. Slide that in there, connect the pipes back on, and start bolting it all back together. So there we go, all front ends back on, tops up with water. So what you want to do when it's all done, I took my bottle off, gave it a good wash out as well, topped it up, 3.5 litres of AdBlue antifreeze, top that up, then turn the van over and leave it to run with the lid off, just so all the air gets out of the system. Turn your fan inside on full, put the heat up on it, so it transfers the water through your heater matrix as well, so it's make a complete circuit of the system, and just leave it for a good 10-15 minutes running. Keep an eye on your level, as soon as it starts going down towards minimum, top it up. So yeah, that's what you got to keep doing, leave it 10-15 minutes, then all of a sudden you'll notice there's no more air bubbles and your antifreeze ain't dropping anymore. So just top it off up to the max, then you're done. So with this here, all I've done is drilled 2 little holes, put a cable tie in, both sides to hold it. Could have put a little self-tapping screw in it, but this would do for now. So there we go. That's the radiator done on a Renault Master. It is the DCI 120 on the 2009 plate. I'd say pretty simple really. There is just a front end strip, but it's not that bad. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I will try and help you out. Yeah, please hit that thumbs up. It goes a really long way, that does. It gets the video out to more people as well, more viewings. So yeah, anyway, stay safe. See you next time.